Hello and welcome to this short video on installing and running Python on VS Code. We'll install VS Code as well. Open Chrome and search for Python installer. Then pick a stable installer for Windows, which is my OS. Installer gets downloaded in the downloads folder. There you are. Python releases for Windows. That is Python. Stable release. Always use stable releases because they are safer since they have been tested nicely and done. Okay. It's being downloaded in the downloads folder, so we'll open this now. There you are, Python has been downloaded. Double click to start the installer. Be very careful about picking this one up. Add Python exe to path and admin privileges because you want to use it from anywhere in the Windows OS. You need to check up this. Now Python installer is running. There you are. Wait for a few moments. It's generally very fast, so not many problems here. Installing. By adding to path, you can use it from anywhere, any folder it will be available. There are other ways of doing it. We can install different Python versions for different programs. We'll see that in the future. For the moment, go ahead. Python is the language of AI and ML, so everybody needs it now. Okay, installation has been done. We'll close the installer now. Go to the desktop. Now we'll see whether it has been correctly installed or not. Go to New, Shortcut. Write CMD for the command line. Next. Press Next. Press Next again. Finish. Double click and start the installer, the command line. Write Python and see whether this is recognized as a command or not. It is being recognized, so our Python installer is done nicely. Next stage. Go back to Google and we'll search for the VS Code installer now. Google VS Code. VS Code download. VS Code download installer Windows. It's available for all operating systems, just as Python is available for all OS. Let's wait for the download to start. There you are. Choose for Windows 10 and 11. Mine is Windows 11, by the way. Waiting for the for the downloading of the installation to start. There it is, Windows 11. I'll click it once again. Yeah, it's started. Go to the downloads folder once again. There it is. It's still not started. I'll go and refresh the folder. Yes, downloading is happening. So we'll refresh it. There you are. Downloading has started and it's complete now. Double click and start the VS Code installer. Accept the agreement. That's compulsory. There you are, VS Studio Code. We create a desktop icon and open with code so that you can open it from Windows and from the directory also. Extracting the files now. Just sit back and enjoy. Wait for the installer to complete. It's almost done now. Launch Visual Studio is checked, so finish it off. VS Code will start by itself. Now, new text file. We'll open a folder first of all, and then we'll keep our programs over there. This one desktop. I'll create a new folder. We'll be holding Python programs over there, so I'll name it basic Python. Create a, yes, you need to trust the author so that your programs will be given full accessibility on Windows. Open a new text file, press Ctrl S and name it hello.python, hello.py that is, hello python.py, print hello Python with a capital P. Run it now. There it is, successfully done. Hello Python. This one. And our task for today is complete. You've installed Python, you've installed VS Code, and you have successfully run a program. And that's it for starting it up. Thank you for learning with me, Champak.